There are two unique words used in Sanskrit language for Sambodhana or addressing someone. These are Ai and Bho. If you know any Indian language, I bet you know these words already. Surprised? Let me show you how. I'm sure all of you have heard Mahishasuramardini Stotram. If you think you haven't, it is the one that goes like this. Notice the first word of the song? Here, the first word Ai is used for Sambodhana, which means the song is written in such a way that you are addressing Devi directly in first person. Coming to the second word Bho, you know that Shiva is known by the name Shambhu, which means the auspicious one. There is another form of the same word Shambho, where Sham is the seed letter or Bija mantra for auspiciousness, and the second part Bho is to say hey to Shiva. Some of you might even have heard this song. See, I told you know these words already. Not just that, the very commonly used Are and even the word Hey itself could be used for addressing someone in Sanskrit. You can also use a combination of these words like Ai Bho and Hey Bho for extra emphasis. Let's look at a few examples now. You could say, Bho, what time is it? Or you could say, how was your weekend, Bho? Ai, would you like to go out for lunch? Or Ai Bho, it looks like it's going to rain. These words can be put anywhere in a sentence with any emotional inflection added to them. Now that you are equipped with two new words in Sanskrit vocabulary, try adding them to your daily sentences. Practice them on your friends. Let me know in the comment section if they were shocked, amused, or impressed. If you wish to explore a wide variety of topics from Sanskrit literature, consider subscribing to this channel and make sure you share this video across with your friends. Okay Bho, see you in the next video.